guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your brother's XM1010. I know they don't show you a lot of tutorials, but today I'm just going to be doing that. Okay, so first an easier way to do it is to just put the foot down, because that's just like an easier way for me. Hold on. It's a lot easier if you're not holding a phone. Bam! Just like that. Okay, you're gonna take your thread, gonna put it up here. It's a lot easier if you're not holding a phone, like I said. So you're gonna take it right through here. It's a lot, like I said, it's like, okay, sorry. You're gonna take it through here. You're just gonna go down. Make sure your brother's sewing machine is off. Now you're going to take it through here, bring it around, clip onto this hook in here. There's a hook in here. You're gonna clip it onto this, go around again, clip it on. So, like this. Again, this is very simple if you're not holding a phone. Bring it back through here again. Now that you've done that, you're just gonna take it. You're gonna put your needle through here. Okay, I finally got it through the needle. Fix it if you need to. It can't be like that. Make sure it's rolling. And make sure you have your bottom thread, which is this. You're just gonna take it through here. Gonna take it, pull it back through here. Now let's try it with the piece of fabric. Easy sew. Easy sew. It's very easy. And again, you just want to make sure you're doing this right, because it will take time, but yep. Thank you for watching my tutorial of how to thread your brother XM1010. I know you don't see a lot of videos of these, but I decided to do one anyways. So bye, Gotcha fan. Sit down, just this. Let's test it. Bullseye, it works. Now you have a little cutter right here.